Teknikk Tommy, dad, offshore mechanic and self-proclaimed handyman, is on the way to his cabin for his summer holiday. Bursting with enthusiasm, he's ready to put his next project into practice: a solar-heated outdoor shower using rainwater collected from the roof. He has his wife and kids with him, as well as a giant water tank that a local business was getting rid of. Tommy rigs the tank under the gutter and has already finished the outdoor shower further down the hill. Now, all he has to do is check the tank's interior and drill a hole so that he can connect the water pipe. Tommy gets out his ladder and tools and gets ready to climb down into the tank. "Is this such a good idea, Tommy?" asks his wife. "Isn't that tank very old?" "The tank has only ever stored water, so it's completely safe," Teknikk Tommy assures her. To appease his wife, he puts on a climbing harness before unscrewing the lid and going into the tank. But what's happened now? Teknikk Tommy has only gone and fainted. How did that happen? The only thing that's been in the tank is water. It was quite simply oxidation inside the empty tank that was the cause. When steel corrodes or rusts, it eats up oxygen. Tommy fainted because of a lack of oxygen. The oxygen deficiency can also occur because other substances have displaced the oxygen. For example, carbon monoxide, argon or nitrogen. Oxygen deficiency is one of the most common causes of accidents in confined spaces. There are many examples of confined spaces. A confined space has limited openings for entry and exit, poor ventilation, and it is not intended for people to remain in it for any length of time. Confined spaces may contain hazardous air pollutants, and safety measures are therefore very important. When entering confined spaces, it's important to always clear the tank beforehand. In addition to combustible gases, you should also ensure that there are no toxic gases or oxygen deficiency in the tank. Clear the tank by measuring it with a gas measuring instrument before entering the tank. The vapor density indicates whether the gases are heavy or light and determines whether the gases are gathered at the top or bottom of the tank. The vapor density differs for each type of gas, so it's important to measure at several different heights. When the tank is cleared, people can enter to the tank to carry out work. To carry out work safely, a great deal of safety equipment is required. The person entering the tank must wear a gas detector alarm throughout the operation. The entrance guard is the person who should call for help if something should go wrong. The guard needs lifting equipment, communication, and respiratory protection to do their job. Tommy was rather taken by surprise, but he did get an outdoor shower in the end, even if it was a cold shower of experience.